Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing freestyle video. Looks like this time we only have 8 packages. So I hope you guys watched some of the product reviews from last time. Noticeably, the awesome gaming chair and the portable blender and the 600 watts centrifugal juicer. I had a lot of fun reviewing those. I love those 3 items from last time. So hopefully I have some great stuff to review this time. Obviously, there's no big items. Let's go ahead and start from the top. This is a little box right here. Looks like it's from, this is Shenzhen, China, I think. So those of you probably don't know, if you're new to the channel, yes, I'm Chinese. I wasn't born in the U.S. I immigrated to America. I'm a naturalized citizen. I was actually born in Guangdong, China, so I speak Cantonese, making improvements on my Mandarin. Okay, and I think Shenzhen is really close to Sake, Shiki, Zhongshan. All right, so what's this Lihan? What is this right here? Some type of a car charger. Okay, it's a 127 watt car charger. Okay, what's this right here? Another, I guess like dual car charger? Yeah. I don't know that much about what that is. Alright. Envelope right here. I've never seen this envelope before. It's not the Amazon. Oh wait, it is the Amazon package. Right here. This is a air vent mesh. Oh, this is useful. Used to trap all those pollutants and particles coming out of your air vents, from the ducts. That's very useful. Okay. Let's see right here. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Oh, the Guick ice compression gloves. This would be cool for ice, cold, and hot therapy. Right? Your injury to your hand. That's pretty useful. Another health-related product. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. At first I thought it was like a VR headset. Whoops! That's that ninja skills coming in handy. Look at this. LED head-mounted read, watch, repair magnifier. Look at this. Doesn't that look pretty awesome? Go to the side right here. Alright, let's go ahead and open these boxes right here. I don't even notice this right here. It's not right blocking the view right here. That's a cool little oil diffuser. It's making my YouTube studio smell so heavenly. It provides a little bit of moisture to the room, especially during winter time. Yeah. And I added like lavender and happy oil. The brand is a cookie, I think. You should check out that review. Oh, some more LED puck lights. If you don't know why they're called puck lights, because they resemble hockey pucks. LED lights. They're very popular. I know LED lights can save over traditional fluorescent or incandescent lights, and so it's so versatile. You can change the lighting scheme. What's this long box? Nunchucks? Somebody send me a baton. Oh, snap. Lang 2. Well, first of all, I love that cool logo. Check it out. It looks like Planet of the Apes. Look at that. See that? This is, I don't even know what this is. Oh, snap. A mouse pad? But why is it in this shape though? I thought it was like a tripod. Lang 2 mouse pad. Be excited about that. That's probably the most exciting one out of the bunch, I think. Should be a pretty big mouse pad if it's in that shape, right? Alright, what's inside this box? Let's somewhat heavy, medium-sized box in here. Okay, I see you. Could it be another headphone? What is this? Samba all-in-one wireless charger. Check it out. It resembles like a tree shape. That's cool. Alright, last box. Okay, it's the lucky number. Jackpot. Somebody sent me a gaming station or something. It's too small for a pair of shoes. Can this be? This is a Channing Intelligent Oxygen Pump. I think this is for aquarium pump. Oh wow, now I can really jazz up and improve the quality of the water in my aquarium. Pretty excited about that too. So make sure you guys stay tuned for these upcoming reviews. And I hope everybody's doing well out there. Take care of yourselves and your family. And this is my YouTube life. Hopefully it'll be better next week. Take care of yourselves.